This baby needs to just go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be reviewing and testing out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. And you know, she came out with a foundation stick like a few years ago. And well, I bought it, but I bought it for my makeup kit, so I never like really tested it out. I do remember feeling like it was a little drying, just a little too matte for my skin type. I'm more like normal to dry, so I normally go for like dewy luminous foundations anyways. So when she came out with this luminous foundation, I got really excited. Looks like this. It says Anastasia Beverly Hills on this side, and then it says foundation on this side. It's kind of edgy, the packaging. I like the font that they use. I'll quickly read to you like the claims that it says. So it says it's a medium full coverage foundation with a luminous natural finish. So that sounds nice. And it claims long wearing and no flashback, suitable for sensitive skin and non-comedogenic, whatever that means. So yeah. And I picked up the shade 410C. I got it online. I'm not really sure if it'll match. I'm hoping it'll match me. If not, I'll make it work. So we're gonna get started. Oh, and I do want to say this video is in collaboration with my friend Noelle. I met her on Instagram and we're like the best of friends. I'll link her video and her Instagram down below. Okay. I'm gonna do this like the normal way I've been doing my makeup. So yeah. Okay, so after I put on like my normal like daytime moisturizer, I've been using these two as extra hydration. They're by Fourth Wave Beauty. It's the Glow Up Face Oil and the Turmeric Face Milk. I'm just gonna mix them because one's more of like a creamy base and the other is like a oil, and it's like a luminous little glow. I got it off of ColourPop.com. So I'm just gonna mix the two with my fingers and just rub it all around. Now that we've moisturized, I'm going to prime with this is the No Pore Blem Primer, and I'm just going to use this to prime my face, focusing it on the T-zone area because that's where my makeup tends to break up the most. And like I said, I got the shade 410C. And it comes with a pump, by the way. I really do like the packaging. It's very like high-end, kinda. It's like glass. Then I'm gonna use my Morphe R6 foundation brush. I just did like 3 pumps on my brush, and we're just gonna go in. I think I did good with the color, I think. It feels nice. It's blending out nice. It's definitely a nice finish to it. It's a medium coverage for sure. I have some like little people here on my face, and it's still there. Obviously you can still see it. Like, I have freckles on my nose and I can still see my freckles, but with this situation, you know, on my nose and everything, I definitely still want to build it up. I'm gonna see how much we can build it up. and it's still really nice, but I can definitely still see my skin in it. So that was like 2 full applications, and it still looks really nice. It doesn't look cakey. The finish is still really nice. I'm just gonna take a clean like beauty sponge and just like flatten it out. Not flatten it out, but just really smooth it out. But honestly, there's no brush streaks or anything, so I love that. I really like it. And I do have some like dry patches like right here, and I can see it's clinging to it just a little bit. Like I see the texture. It doesn't look dry though, but I can see it setting. Okay. Okay guys, so I finished the rest of my face. I finished the rest of my face. I just applied the normal products that I normally use. So now I'm gonna look up close. I feel like it looks good. I should have used a different concealer. I'm not the huge fan on this concealer, but it's okay. But anywho, so I have a long day ahead of me, so I will be checking in to let you know how it wears throughout the day. The time is 1 o'clock on the dot. Yeah, we're just gonna see how this goes. And I'm gonna be in the heat, so this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see. I will do the flash test. I'll insert the picture. I'll insert the picture right here. Looks good. I'm excited because I've been looking for like a new foundation to love. I'll see you in the next clip.
Hi guys. So I'm just checking in on the face. I feel like it still looks good. I look super dewy, but I sprayed the dewy spray by Anastasia. Just a little bit too much dew for my liking. But I still like it. Looks good. It's not really breaking up anywhere. I just look a little greasy, but that's my fault, like I said. But I would go more so on like the Morphe setting spray compared to the dewy. It's just a little too much dew for me. But yeah. So, oh, and by the way, the time is 4:20. And yeah, so it's been about 3 hours. 3 hours and 20 minutes. But yeah. Okay. Hi guys. So it's 10:01 right now. So it's been, I'm not good at math. It's been like 5-6 hours since I've seen you. But okay, yeah, so this is what we're looking like. This baby needs to just go. Again, I wouldn't use the dewy setting spray with it because it's just a little too much going on right now. But overall, like if you have like some powder, if you're able to like, you can make it work. We're not too bad. Just gotta blot a little bit. And I was out in the heat and all that, so yeah. But overall, I think it's nice. I'm definitely gonna give it some more time to like really see how I feel, wear different products with it. But overall, not bad. So yeah. Anywho, don't forget to watch Noelle's video. I have a link down below with her Instagram and all that. Shout out to you, girl. Make sure you guys subscribe to her also because she's just so adorable. But yeah, I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in my next video, okay?